Next useful item, it is ListBox. ListBox, it is similar to combo box, but the combo box, it is drop down list and you have to open it to choose the value, but the ListBox already is showing the items here by listed. As an example, for font size, again, allow me to create a label, and here we could add items inside of that. How? I double click on my form again, I change the procedure to initialize and set listbox1 dot like a combo box add item. I could use 2, 6, 4, 8 as an example. Just let me add 6 to see one result. There it is 6. But you know, to create a list of commands, I could use actually for loop. I say dim I as integer and for I from, let's say, 6 to maybe 28, and set step maybe 4. That is fine. And next, and by running this code, we could add it. Actually, I forgot to add the values, not be constant. Of course, we need to add the I value. 6, next time it is getting 10, next time 14, and going on 6 to 26. Note that about this step, because I set this step 4, so the maximum value we reached was 26. I could set maybe 30 to make sure everything added inside of list. And if I double click on the list box, you see we have a click. Also, we have other events such as change, such as key press, key down, which I will mention later on. But for now, click it is fine. I say label 1 dot font dot size equal to listbox1 dot value. Again, we have value, so run it, and there it is. I could choose it, and very simple and similar to drop down. And note that if I select it, we have some multiple options on properties, like selecting multiple items, which we're not using here because that's going to confuse the values. We have the match entries, which I will mention later on maybe. And we have this style. As an example, I could select like a style option, which we have also on combo box. If I run, now we have the item selectable, something like that. It is the style, actually, doesn't matter on the code or result.